I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Revolut to Coinbase. We'll go through the essential steps to link your accounts effectively. First, ensure both your Revolut and Coinbase profiles are fully verified to prevent any delays. We'll cover how to initiate transfers and what to look out for to ensure a smooth experience. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and secure for everyone. To fund your Coinbase account using Revolut, you typically have a couple of options. You can add your Revolut bank details directly to Coinbase for a SEPA transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, if you have a Revolut debit card, you might be able to use it for instant deposits, though fees may apply. Always double-check the recipient details on Coinbase to ensure funds go to the correct place. Once your accounts are ready, open your Coinbase app and go to the deposit section. Select the currency you wish to deposit, like euros, and choose the bank transfer option. Coinbase will provide you with specific bank details and a unique reference number. It is crucial to include this reference number when you initiate the transfer from your Revolut app to ensure your funds are correctly attributed to your Coinbase account. When connecting Revolut to Coinbase, always double-check every detail, especially the reference number, to avoid delays. Be mindful of any transfer limits imposed by either platform, which can vary. Also, be aware of potential fees for certain deposit methods, as these can impact your total amount. If you face any issues, both Revolut and Coinbase offer customer support to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.